The Roberts 10-254 carpet stretcher bundle is renowned for its advanced power stretching capabilities, making it an essential tool for professional carpet installation. With 17 locking positions and an innovative swivel head, this carpet stretcher offers unparalleled flexibility and precision for any stretching task. The 18-inch tail block equipped with wheels and a foam wall protector ensures easy repositioning and protects walls from potential damage during use. Included in this bundle is a robust electric stapler that efficiently secures various types of flooring with its 20-gauge 3/16-inch crown staples. The electric stapler's design features a low-profile head, allowing access to tight spaces, and is complemented by a durable, heat-treated hammer mechanism. A convenient carrying case is provided, accommodating both the stapler and additional staples, ensuring that all necessary tools are kept organized and ready for use.